kindly prepare your camera or some video card. So sometimes it's not possible to get here on the Biglagon because it's depending only on the tide condition. Sometimes the water is very shallow here. So that's why we are using only a speedboat because we cannot use big outrider there. So we are outside the pillars of the plant of this. So it's not doing or like some birds, pollinators there. We have a pulsar, green grapes, and some orchids and begonias here.